Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where games are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. It can be very specific to the game itself, but I will show a few general solutions as well. So before anything else, check the specifications of the game. For example, let's say that the game is Valorant. So we'll search for Valorant system requirements for PC and then check the system requirements here, not the minimum ones, but the recommended ones. Does your system fall in that? If yes, then move further. Then the next one is to check the graphics card driver. So search for device manager and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. You'll find the first graphics card here and update it. You'll find the second graphics card here and update it. Okay, so these are the two main solutions. But if you don't have a graphics card driver, in that case, if you have a desktop, you'll have to buy a new one. And if you have a laptop, then I don't think that you can add a new one. So these are the main solutions. And obviously, you can update Windows to the latest version. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.